Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids, and what I've got here is an absolutely superb gaming keyboard from Razer. This is the BlackWidow Ultimate Chroma. Now before I show you the keyboard a little bit closer, let me deal with the cabling first of all. This connects via USB, so we've got two USB connections that go into your computer, as well as audio connections as well. They will come down into a little sort of splitter box, and then this braided cable goes into the back of the keyboard. So a corded keyboard, this is not wireless. Now I want to show you some of the features on this particular keyboard, and it is absolutely superb. So we have got fully programmable keys. We've also got 5 additional gaming keys on here with on-the-fly macro editing. We have got Chroma backlighting across the keyboard, and that has got up to 16.8 million customizable colours. We've also got easy access media keys up the top here. We've got 10 key rollover. We've also got on the side, and it's on this side here, we have got audio out and microphone in jacks on the side. And easy cable management purely because your inputs go in the side and then these go in round the back of your computer, so you can keep everything nice and tidy. Now this is a mechanical keyboard, so it's clicky. It makes the nice clicky noise that we have all been accustomed to from older keyboards before we started seeing these chiclet style keyboards come into play. But something like this with mechanical switches means you've got the ultimate feedback. It's very, very responsive and a pleasure to use, both for gaming, which is what this has been designed for, but also for typing as well. So if you're a speed typer and you touch type, this is very, very responsive. But for gaming, you've got that really good control and you're able to sort of concentrate on the gameplay in front of you and let your fingers do the work on the keyboard. Really very, very nice indeed. Now if I just show you this front and centre, you'll see the keyboard layout's very, very nicely laid out. We've obviously got the additional numeric keypad on the side here. Beautifully built. We can raise and lower the height of the keyboard with little feet on the bottom. There's also rubberized feet on the bottom as well, so it's not going to slip around on the desk. It's got a nice weight to it. The actual illumination is very, very good indeed. And the overall experience you get with this when you're using it for your gaming is top notch. This is a really good option. This is the Razer BlackWidow Ultimate Chroma. Thank you very much for watching. If you're in the market for a really decent gaming keyboard, check out the links in the video description. This could well be the best choice you've made. Please do hit like on this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.